In this video, you'll learn how to set up Google Authenticator in Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked your Google Authenticator app to your Binance account for enhanced security. Begin by navigating to the Binance website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, sign into your Binance account using your registered email and password. After logging in, locate your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Security from the options provided. Once you are in the security settings, look for the section dedicated to two-factor authentication. In this section, find the option labeled Google Authenticator. Selecting this option will initiate the setup process for linking your Google Authenticator app to your Binance account. Before proceeding, ensure that you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your mobile device, as it is essential for this setup. Next, you will see a QR code displayed on the Binance screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device and look for the option to add a new account or scan a QR code. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code displayed on Binance. This action will bind your Binance account with the Google Authenticator. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit verification code. It is important to save the backup key provided in case you need to recover access later. So store it in a secure location and do not share it with anyone. After you've scanned the QR code and saved the backup key, return to the Binance interface. You will be prompted to enter the 6-digit verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Input this code into the designate field on Binance. Once you enter the code, confirm the binding process by clicking the appropriate button to complete the setup. Ensure that you receive a confirmation message indicating that Google Authenticator has been successfully linked to your account. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, log out of your Binance account and then log back in. When prompted, enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. If the code is accepted, you will gain access to your account, confirming that the authentication setup was successful. It is crucial to keep your mobile device secure and to immediately rebind your Google Authenticator if your device is lost or stolen. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.